Hi everyone, me, Surin, I'm here, and today we're doing another toy challenge. Yay! And it is a Nerf, and this is a Nerf bow and arrow. And Summer's got some darts that, if you look really closely, they have some pins on, and they have pins because we're going to put them on the bow and arrow. Then we're going to try to shoot these balloons that have surprises inside, and the surprises are like shine bands, and also we get free ghosts, and there's mushrooms, and there is some Kinder eggs, Kinder Joy for girls, and they're new. So, and we get free ghosts each. So, who wants to go first? Me! I second. Please. Okay, so Summer's first, then it's me. So, when you're ready, Summer, you can shoot it.
I am actually quite.
Yeah, I am. And I don't know if that works.
Okay.
Ready?
I need to put it.
By the way, I forgot to put it back like all the way, yeah. So try to do that, then you might pop a balloon that way. And if you pop a balloon, you get do you think it fell out good enough?
Maybe.
Pull it. Ready? All the way, okay, that's it. Oh, the painkiller! Now one more step.
And then people know this stuff.
I'll let the pin
This is my
and try not to hit me. Come on, Summer, you can get it in.
Oh! I think that bended. That helps. I keep on doing that. It's taking forever. Okay.
Right. Shoot. We can do that again. I think it only counts if it. Oh, the pin fell out. Let me. Okay, so it's your turn, Isla. Good luck next time, Summer. Good luck for you, Isla. Please get one.
Please, I know.
And it says a message
If you put it through there.
wait, wrong hand. Yeah, because when you put it through there, it says
Something.
wait.
I think it says lows.
Yeah, it says Okay, Isla, do you need help? Or have you got it? Yeah, just put it more back.
Pull it all the way back.
Okay, that's.
Wait, no, that's fine.
They can shoot that. What? I've got 2 more goes! Okay. I need to try and get this one. We'll collect your surprises and then
Oh, I really need to pop at least one balloon when it's my go.
I didn't get it. Okay, look, Isla, this is your second go. Oh, no! It went really far. Let's go. Yeah. Imagine if I got all 3, that'll be ready. Okay, I'm going to put it right back. I think that's bad. Shoot. Oh, it hit it! You're surprised, Isla. So it's my go! This is what I won, and I won a Spider-Man surprise egg, and now it's your go, Tiana.
Your
Okay,
go.
I'll get
Your
go.
Can I pop it in?
Head, because trash. Oh, don't hurt. I think that's all the way back. Oh! Okay. So I have to get at least. I can't believe I won a boy thing. It's for 3 bucks. This one's going.
It has to be 3.
Happy a second one. You got Kinder Joy.
You got 2 girl Brave Isla.
Oh! The pin just went on its own. Imagine if the pin just went, the arrow didn't go, but the pin just went, and it hit a balloon.
Oh, and it popped.
That'd be weird. Right, well, let's go.
Go on, Isla.
Oh!
It's Tiana's go.
Oh, come on, she's got 2 surprises. Oh! It did front flip.
It kind of went like down.
Yeah, and it did
Wow.
front flips. This is my second go.
Oh. God, this is the one that on my go landed. Oh.
Yay! Got 3 surprises!
Yay! Charm you!
Yay!
I got 5 surprises. So
Now
far.
it goes 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
Oh,
My last
let's
go. Oh, come on. Ah, I'll go collect my sponge. I found one. So I actually got all good surprises. So I got 2 Kinder Joys that are girls and 2 Charmies and 1 Zumling. Yeah!
My dad's got some sponge balloon.
That hit my face! Oh! Oh, that basically hit. There's a balloon that's not even popped. I need one.
Attack! Attack!
You want to get hit? Ooh. Hey, come on, Dad! Oh, no! So here are all the prizes we won, and that challenge was lots of fun, especially when my dad.
Cold. Because I got stuffed by a water balloon.
It wasn't that cold for me, but anyways,
Kind of.
it was surprising when my dad threw the Bun Tray balloons at us, and it even splattered everywhere. But my hair's hardly wet, but Summer's looks wet. And the prizes that we got are Spider-Man, and I got 2 Kinder Joy's girls and 2 Charmies and 1 Zomlings. But since Summer doesn't win anything, I'm going to give her 1 Charmy. Say there's a Charmy. Thanks. So let's open them. I'm going to start with my Zomling.
I'm
going to start with my Spider-Man.
That's the only thing I have.
My one Ooh, this looks
I've
good.
had that one before.
Okay.
It's my favourite.
I don't have that one.
That's really cute. Kind of.
Oh, look at the Kinder Joys, guys. Look, I got. It has like it tells you what. It tells you what's inside.
Oh, they're really cool.
Oh.
Look at my champion.
It's like a little pizza thing.
Yeah.
What it is.
I
It's
don't
like a
know.
pizza kind of. Also, here's my Kinder Joy fruit mushed up. And I don't know where. Well, I've got 2 anyway, but I'm sure that will be.
How do you
good.
please open that
Chummy.
Of course. Thank you.
Even though I've only opened 2. This is very hard to open. Oh, I got this also. Oh yeah.
You got.
Oh, and I got
that one.
that was a new one.
And you got
Captain America.
this one.
And that one's a double.
Easter.
But, oh well.
Wait, where are you?
Wait.
Oh, I got. I didn't get.
And then back. No, stickers.
I'll
It's a bit
wait for
weird.
that later.
Shall I open some?
There's plastic.
Shall I open this?
I think I can.
This is the last thing, and it's another Kinder Joy, girls.
I really like the new Kinder Joy. It smells so
Yes.
good.
Oh, it's a
Fairy
yeah,
thing.
without wings.
Now
Now
what
what
time
time
you
is at home have friends? Oh, at the back.
Oh right, I thought that was a toy then.
It looks like open a toy. I think
this is so cute.
Oh, it's like a bait. Oh, it's a fairy.
Wait,
Tiana, wait,
oh,
that's
it's like a ring.
Oh, this is a ring that can actually clip onto the fairy. Well,
Yeah, fairy.
here is my Captain America figure.
And that's her only prize. And here are my prizes, my 2 Charmies. I've got a cute little water can and a cat. And here are my 2 really cute fairies, and I really like these. And it looks like the wings at the back, wings at the back that are rings as well. And
That's what I said.
yeah, and here's my Zomling that looks really creepy, sort of.
Yeah.
And I think it's a
smells like
ghost.
the wrong
and
one.
this is a sticker I got.
And I also got
2 Charmies.
charms.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our Nerf toy challenge as well as
Me too.
balloons, the Boncho balloons.
I'm so
And I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.